2025 constituted this award to recognize individuals, groups, departments, organizations contributing towards road safety activities in and around Kohima district. Last year, the Kohima District Road Safety Committee had the privilege to give this award to KVYO, Kohima Village Youth Organization, to Tigoma Village Youth Organization, and to traffic personnel of Kohima Police. This year, our Kohima District Road Safety Committee had considered for 5 awardees, and like I have read out the list, they are all here this morning. So in the district, we have the Kohima District Road Safety Committee. In the state level, we have the National State Road Safety Authority, which is headed by the Minister in charge of Transport Department, and which is currently our Honorable Chief Minister. The executive body of the State Road Safety Committee is headed by the Chief Secretary and list of other officials. Here in the district, we have the Deputy Commissioner Kohima as the ex-officio chairman of Kohima District Road Safety Committee. We have RTO, Regional Transport Officer Kohima, as ex-officio member secretary of this committee. We have Superintendent of Police Kohima as ex-officio member. We have Executive Engineer R&D South Division as member. We have Executive Engineer National Highways as member. And from the civil societies, we have President of Angami Youth Organization as member. So for this year, as I've already read out, our committee, the committee wanted to take this privilege and hand over the awards with a cash award of ₹10,000 and a citation each to all the awardees in this platform, the District Planning and Development Board meeting. Last day was on 15th, this year on the 16th of February 2026. So now I shall hand over the time to our RTO, Sri Robin Mason, to read the citations of all the awardees. After which, to save time, I shall request our Deputy Commissioner, Sir B. Henok Mucham, to deliver the Chairman's address. And after which, I shall also invite our Honorable MLA, Sri Kevipoti Sokye, to deliver the award presentation speech. I shall now request our RTO to take the time.
On behalf of the District Road Safety Committee, I will read out the citation of awardees. Kohima District Road Safety Award 2026 in commemoration of National Road Safety Month. Citation of awardees. Number 1. Upper Jail Colony Panchayat, in recognition of proactive coordination with district authorities and exemplary regulation of roadside parking of vehicles from Jail Colony Junction to Assamese Church Junction, leading to overall improvement of traffic in Kohima town. Number 2, Jotsoma Youth Organization, in recognition of proactive community assistance and public service during landslide at Lezo Cham and Kezanu sections of National Highway 29 and diversion of vehicular traffic via Jotsoma Bypass Road during last monsoon season. Number 3, Kezoma Village Council, in recognition of assistance and cooperation rendered to district authorities during diversion of heavy vehicular traffic via Kezoma Village jurisdiction during the last monsoon season. Number 4, Naga Bazar Youth Organization, in recognition of proactive roadside parking management in the colony and installation of barricades along the National Naga Hospital Authority Kohima Junction to Census Point Junction, leading to significant improvement of vehicular traffic. Number 5, personnel of integrated command and control center. In recognition of dedicated and sincere service towards the overall improvement of traffic in Kohima town. Number 8, Havaldar Tejamule NPTO. Number B, Havaldar K. Lunsaban Yim and NPTO. Number 3, TC Razu Lutso. Then number 4, TC Surho Koye Veye. Number 5, TC Vicoleo Kense. Thank you.
Before I make a short remark, so would you please stand up where you are seated as I read out your name? Upper Chair Colony Pangchet. Would you please stand and show your face? Thank you. Jotsoma Youth Organization. Thank you. Kesuma Village Council. Thank you. Naga Bazar Youth Organization. Thank you. And personnel of ICCC. We are also proud to see you over here. Actually, Kohima District Road Safety Awards is an annual event in which 2 awardees were traditionally selected. However, this year we have expanded the number of recipients and also organized this program on a larger platform. And we want to take it further in the years to come. After careful consideration, we have selected only 5 outstanding groups who have played a very critical role in traffic management, as has been read out in the citation, in the last 1 year, among many other worthy contenders. So, like we have read out, Kesoma Village Council, they have silently borne the brunt of the landslide that took place on National Highway 2. For almost 4-5 months, 6 months, heavy vehicular was flying on their village road and it made their life miserable. But they silently cooperated with us. And so we remain ever grateful to you for what you have done last year. Secondly, we have this Jotsoma Youth Organization. Same thing as well, when National Highway NH 29, we had a lot of trouble last year. And in all those cases, it was youth organization, not waiting for us, but on their own, they have done quite a lot and they have cooperated with us. So it is a small way of saying thank you to you. And we have 2 excellent colony council here, Upper Chel Colony, Panchayat, and Naga Bazar Youth Organization. There are many colonies who are doing their bit, but these 2 colonies, we found them extremely well. They have cooperated with the district authorities, and they have, because of their services, the traffic congestion in Kohima town has eased a lot, and it is all because of your service rendered towards the people here. And finally, the personnel of ICCC. Many of you will not know, but we in the authority, we know the pain and the suffering. You will see personnel on the roadside, but the control people, these 5 of them, they are there in the room, managing, controlling here and there, VIP women, people women, emergency. They are the one who is controlling. They are speaking, they are giving control, taking command, and many a times, especially during Hornbill Festival, we really feel their pain and suffering, but because of their dedication to the service, they go all out to see that our people don't suffer. So, to all the 5 groups, it is a small way of saying thank you, and we look forward for many such kind of services to come, and we especially encourage other colonies and other authorities, other agencies to take an example from them. If you travel in Kohima today, if you notice that travel time has reduced, or you see that the parking is better regulated and the roads are little more efficiently managed, and you see that the street vending areas are more systematically organized, then kindly spare a thought for the people who have planned, who have executed, who have implemented these measures. They are the ones who are performing this thankless job for the greater good of our people. And I remember my colleagues in district administration, the police officers, the officials from the AMC, and officials from the smart city. They are working day in and day out to see how we can ease traffic congestion here in Kohima. We acknowledge that we still have a long way to attain or achieve a higher level of smooth traffic management and inculcating strong civic sense among our citizens. So in this regard, we are currently drafting the Kohima District Transport Policy, which we believe will strengthen our efforts to regulate traffic conditions more efficiently. And therefore, to this end, we seek the unflinching support from the village authorities here in Kohima, the town and colony councils, the councillors, the citizens, and various stakeholders associations, especially the bus, the taxis, and scooty association, without whose cooperation, meaningful changes will not be possible. So in the days and months ahead, we will introduce several steps and proposals towards this goal, and we are hopeful with the support of the state government and all the stakeholders, some positive changes will be visible. So through this medium, I want to take this opportunity to remind our citizens once again to kindly obey all traffic rules and respect lawful authority. Public spaces and public roads are meant for smooth movement of traffic and pedestrians. Public spaces and public roads are not meant for haphazard dumping of construction materials or for random parking without consideration for others. Kohima belongs to each one of us who resides in the district. Let us all take civic responsibility and civic sense more seriously for the betterment of our town. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the warnings, the four organizations from different corners. Today, the most challenging problem we face in Kohima is traffic flow. No one can reach our destination on time as of now because of the traffic flow. As a responsible citizen, I think we should also have a civic sense in parking our vehicle and then overtaking each other's vehicle. Today, I'm happy that Josuma Youth Organization and then Josuma Village Council, Nagapala Youth Organization, and then Jail Colony Youth Organization have taken pain to assist the administration and the traffic police for a smooth flow of traffic. I look forward in the days to come also to contribute and assist the law enforcement agencies so that our district is not we don't face a problem in a traffic manner. So with this few words, I once again would like to congratulate each and every one of you, and we'll be looking forward in the days to come for your cooperation and assistance. Thank you.
We shall move to the presentation of awards. I shall now invite our dignitaries, our Honorable and Chairman Deputy Sir, to kindly praise and lead our Deputy Commissioner Sir, our Assistant SP Sir, and hand over the awards. The citation will be given out by our Chairman, Deputy B, cash award by our Deputy Commissioner Sir Hanok, our two-wheeler helmets to be given away by our SP Sir. Proceed with the award. I shall invite our Jail Colony Panchayat to kindly go up to the stage to receive the award. is to go in the middle, pause for the team to go up to the stage, receive. I think you can take your members also. Pause for a few seconds for photograph. Quezon Village Council. Nagabaza Youth Organization. Can we stay back for photograph? You can, some can move this head. Of Integrated Command and Control Center, ICC. To the stage. An initiative of Kohima District Road Safety Committee, like I stated earlier, to encourage more people, more organizations, more department officials, and colonies and ward authorities, village councils, to participate in road safety activities. So we hope the gathering of Ahmadiyya fraternity today, a lot of members here this morning, this message will go out to the public domain. And then in future, we will receive more participants, more nominees for the award. And this is how we now end the second edition of this Kohima District Road Safety Award 2026.